In April 2026, an F-15E Strike Eagle went down over the Zagros Mountains during combat operations. The weapons systems officer ejected into hostile terrain at an elevation above 8,000 feet, surrounded by rugged limestone ridgelines, with no road access, no landing zone, and enemy ground forces converging on the crash site. What happened next became one of the most complex combat search and rescue operations in American military history. The United States military launched 155 aircraft simultaneously to extract one person. That number is not a misprint. It represents a layered engineering architecture designed around a single objective: get the pilot out alive before the ground closes in. The outer ring consisted of F-15Es and F-16s, maintaining air superiority and suppressing any surface-to-air threat within a 50 nautical mile radius of the crash site. The middle ring deployed A-10 Thunderbolts, flying low-altitude orbits, scanning terrain with targeting pods, and providing immediate close air support for the rescue team below. The inner ring was the extraction package itself: MC-130J Commando 2s carrying Special Operations Forces, MH-6 Littlebirds for pinpoint landing on terrain too narrow for any other helicopter, and HH-60 Pavehawks standing by as backup. The operation lasted 2 days. An A-10 was shot down during close support. 2 MC-130J aircraft were deliberately destroyed on the ground to prevent sensitive equipment from being captured. Every one of those decisions was an engineering calculation, not an emotional reaction. Fuel endurance determined how many aircraft could remain on station. Terrain elevation dictated which helicopters could operate. Rotor disc loading determined which airframe could land on a 30-foot ridgeline. A senior military official called it one of the most challenging missions in the history of United States Special Operations. 155 aircraft, dozens of munitions expended, 2 airframes deliberately sacrificed, all to bring home one American. The engineering says that is not inefficiency. That is the cost of a doctrine that refuses to leave anyone behind, calculated to the last pound of fuel and the last foot of altitude.